everybody, welcome to yet another episode of Learning Perspectives. Today we are going to deconstruct a scene from a movie called Dil Hai Tumhara, and the concept that we are going to learn today is about a brand loyalty.
हमने देश और विदेश के कुछ लोगों को ये ड्रिंक टेस्ट करवाया और उन सब का कहना यही है. Hi, how do you find refresh?
Excellent. I tried it first and it's the best.
Delicious and refreshing.
आपको रिफ्रेश कैसा लगा?
Very fresh and very tasty. This is the best.
सब नकली है.
नौटंकी वाले हैं, पैसे देने की बुलवाया है.
इनका क्या करें? इनका खींच के फेंक दो.
जाए.
आजकल की मल्टीनेशनल कंपनीज अपने प्रोडक्ट को पहचान देने के लिए फिल्म स्टार्स, क्रिकेटर्स और मॉडल्स पे करोड़ों रुपए खर्च करती है.
करेक्ट है.
लेकिन हमने सोचा कि हम इन सब से कुछ अलग करेंगे, एकदम ओरिजिनल. हम अपनी ड्रिंक को लॉन्च करने के लिए एक ऐसा स्टार लेंगे जिसने इस पूरे शहर को एक नई पहचान दी है. द वन एंड ओनली समीर.
वाओ.
जिस पे इस पूरे देश.
Now, the scene that you just saw showed you Shalu or Preeti Zinta trying to promote a brand and discussing about the strategies of this particular brand that they have launched. The brand's name is called Refresh and it's apparently an apple juice. So we can see in this scene that Shalu is trying to ask the audience that how are they liking the product and later making a strategy for the product. In this episode, we will understand what exactly is brand loyalty, and we will also look at a case study for Maggie to understand what and why does brands lose customers. Now, brand loyalty is basically a positive association with a particular product. Now, think of Coca-Cola and Pepsi. People who are ardent fan of Pepsi are most likely not to switch to Coca-Cola even if Coca-Cola reduces its price. The same goes for Coca-Cola as well. Now, why do people do that? Why are they not switching? While to me or to somebody else, they taste the same. To a fan, it is not the case. A fan would swear by the name of Pepsi or swear by the name of Coca-Cola. So they would not shift. This association is generally referred to as brand loyalty. These people don't deter even if the prices of a product, competitors' prices, decreases. So let's here also take an example of Maggie. The Maggie case study. Maggie was banned in 2015 owing to excessive lead that was present in Maggie. Now, a lot of customers who loved Maggie and still do, but had to immediately shift to a different form of substitute at that point of time because Maggie was not the right source for them at that time and it was banned. So what happened after that? In 2020, it just came out that 254,000 tons were sold in 2014. This is prior to the ban of Maggie. But in 2020, it was around 264,000 tons. So Maggie did build back and come back, and customers again trusted the same brand, even though it was at one place not even doing. It had close to $500,000 of loss. Customers back, Nestle had to undertake a lot of strategies and measures. They promoted their product in the rural areas as well as in the urban areas, and there were a lot of other measures that came into play. So this is how Maggie had built up its own brand again after falling and then coming up again with a very small gap. It had almost 80% of market share, which had become zero. And to build back such a customer base again, because the customers trusted Maggie and they start buying it again. So thank you for watching. I hope you understood the concept clearly of brand loyalty. If you want the written content, please go on the link below. You will find all the written content there. Also, I request you, if this video created any value in your life, please like, share, and subscribe the video. Also, don't forget to join my community right there of Learning Perspectives. Here we discuss every day a scene from a movie. Also try to understand what exactly is this scene teaching us. So it's a safe community with a lot of fun, and you get to meet a lot of people from different backgrounds. Thank you for watching, and I hope to see you there in the community. Take care, stay blessed. Bye bye.